So I'm going to remove the headlights to put in a new halo lights. That's the error that I'm getting when I start the vehicle. So I'm gonna replace them with LEDs. So it looks like somebody already fixed the issue with the wires in here. The insulation actually breaks off. They're really like made really cheap. And so to take this off, I'm gonna remove that bolt over there, actually loosen it, and then this one over here. I think those are T20s with a very long extension. So I got the lights out. So those bolts stay. You just like slide it out because it's yeah, you slide it out and then push up. I mean pull up. And then I have to actually loosen this area here because this one, this side, you cannot actually like pull it towards you to slide this off. So you need to actually loosen it a little bit. And then once this is out from that bolt, pull it up. Yeah, this RTV thing doesn't work. Look at this. Yeah, they don't stick. So you have that wires exposed. Yeah, so those two. Yeah, this is really bad. Really bad. Yep. These wires will basically touch each other. Oh man. Yeah, this is terrible. Yep. And same thing too with the wires there in the yeah, look at those two wires. They're like bare. I mean, this actually shortens them out. One of the high beam bulb to expose the and move it counterclockwise. Okay, so I got it out. So this is actually an LED too. Huh. So these LEDs don't last. Put in electrical tape to fix the wire thing issue. But look down there. Still more issues. Probably that's a bare wire, maybe. Yeah, this looks similar to my old BMW E39. This one is from my BMW E39. They're LEDs, but when I found one on Marketplace that has like a higher lumens, I took the one out and then just keep this one. I think this has a lower wattage. I don't know what's the wattages, but the one that I replaced with on my E39 is like really bright, and it looks, my E39 looks better actually. So this one is black. I don't know, but you could buy this in Amazon really cheap. So I don't know if this will last. Well, so I think it lasted a while on my E39, maybe several months before I found one. Yeah, even this one is bad. Putting an RTV is actually a bad idea. I think it's like a ticking time bomb. Yeah, once those RTV actually like dries out, yeah, they don't stick actually. Yeah, the RTV solution is really bad. Yeah, if I just clean it up, yeah, this RTV thing doesn't work at all. So I'm gonna show you how the RTV just peels off. See this one? If I just like pull it off, yep. electrical tape. Yeah, even the wire for the for this, even the wire for the angel eyes is bad actually from here. Yep, they're all disintegrated. I also open up the back side, and yep, yeah, these are all disintegrated. Pretty much the wiring needs to be fixed actually. I mean, replaced. Oh boy, I think this is the motor for the headlight leveling. Yep. That's the one, that brown wire. Yeah, all of the brown insulation is gone. So luckily it didn't rub the assembly there. But yep, that's really exposed wire. And that yellow one too. I think maybe if there's like a very large bump, yeah, these wires would move and then probably touch each other. So I got the wires out. I mean, I pulled the plug from there, and if you look at this, yeah, they're all like in bad shape. So over time, yeah, the vibrations, or even like replacing the headlight or the bulb on this one, if you move the wires, this insulation cracks, and then over time they'll get exposed. And if you like say change the angel eyes again, you might probably short some of the stuff in here if you're not that careful. So I think instead of using RTV on this one, I'm gonna use a liquid tape. So I have to remove the ballast down here so that I could access this one and put tape around the yellow wire. And then this one is the brown wire. So if you look at that, that's a very large or a long chunk of wiring that lost its insulation. I am depinning this one because it's easily could be depinned. This one, just take this off, those sides, and then you could slide off the pins outside and then put the wires in here. Yeah, I don't seem to find my tripod, but so here's one terminal depinned. I'm going to put heat shrink in this one. So luckily the heat shrink is longer, so it just goes all the way there. Put it back again. Yep. Slide it back. I got them now. All wires were depinned and heat shrink added. So some of the spots in there for this one, I could actually just put liquid tape and let it dry. So we'll shrink this one. And the heat shrink now. This is how it looks like now, and it's I think the shrink the heat trap is better actually. Yep. So I got this one depinned, and yeah, should be okay. Look at those, they just crumble into pieces. So I'm gonna show you.